Good morning, class 3. I hope you are fit and fine. Today, I will teach you chapter 10 money. Chapter 10 money. Do you know money means rupiah and paisa? Okay. Money is everything. Money is everything means paisa ही सब कुछ है. And all you deal with, buy and sell by money. Okay, students. In every country of the world, people deal with money. This money is called currency. Every country has its own currency. Okay, students, every country has own currency. As like India has rupees, America has dollar, England has pound, China has yuan, and Japan has yen. Okay, Rus has ruble. Many country, many currency. Okay, currency is the important for all people. Rupee in India, this money of currency expressed two ways: rupee and paise. Rupee and paise. Rupee and paise. Two way. Your money has or rupee or paise. Okay. Do you know 1 rupee has 100 paise? Okay, students. And you also send rupee to paise, multiply 100, and paise to rupee 1 divide 1 by 100. Okay, students, you always remember. Okay, paise interchange to rupee, you divide 1 by 100. After sometimes I give this some example. Okay, students, currency. There are two types of Indian currency. First, notes and coins. Notes 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 2000. Okay, and coins 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 1, 2, 5, 10. There are coins. Okay, students, this is the figure of your currency. Okay, students, this is the figure of your currency: 2000, 500, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2 and 1. Okay, you use P for paisa symbol and R for use for rupees. Paisa, you use P for paisa. Okay, and R for rupees. Okay, you use P for paisa and R for rupees. Okay, students, in this chapter, observe the chart carefully. All students have books. Observe the chart carefully. Amount, symbolic forms. First, you 1 paisa. 1 paisa. 1 paisa. You write 1 paisa in rupee. 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. Okay, students, you write 0.01 and also write it their symbol. Okay, students, yeah, you paisa interchange in rupee, you divide 1 by 100. Okay, students, 1 paisa 1 and divide by 1. There are many amount interchange to rupee and paise, but you read carefully. Okay, I give the some example. 8 0.05. This is the 8 rupees 5 paise. This is the 8 rupees 5 paise. But this side 0 is no value. But other example 8.5. You take 0. This is the 8 rupees and 50 paise. This is the 5. This is the 50. Okay, students. So you read carefully. Okay, you read carefully. Conversation of money. How do you change rupee to paise and paise to rupees? I give the some example. First you know 1 rupees has 100 paise. 1 rupees has 100 paise. Okay. 5 rupees has how many paise? 5 multiply 100. Your answer is 500 paise. Okay, students. And same example, you interchange paise to rupees. 500 paise. How many rupees? You divide 500 into 100 and cross the 0. You find 5 rupee. You find 5 rupee. Okay, students. You always remember 1 rupee has 100 paise. Rupee change in paise multiply by 100 and paise change to rupee divide by 100. This is the very simple. Next example, to convert rupees in paise. There are many examples in your book. You convert this rupee and paise, but same paisa add to paisa and rupees add to rupees. Okay, students. Paisa add to paisa, same number add and same sign add. Just example, 5 rupee 20 paise. You interchange only paise. First you 5 multiply 100 plus 25. This is the paise and you write P. 500 P plus 2500 P. This is the paisa. This is the paisa. Sign is same. This is the same sign. So you add. Sign is not same. You don't add. Okay, students. You write 525 paise. 525 paise. Same sign. Add. Different sign. You don't add. Okay, students. Convert into paise. Many example you convert into paise. Some example, 45 rupees and 56 paise. This is the paisa, this is the rupee. So you convert 45 multiply 100 plus 56. Okay, 4500 plus 56. You write 4556 paise. Okay, this is the very simple. You write 4556 paise. Okay, students. Paise and paise same sign you add. Okay, students. Addition of money. This is the very simple addition and subtraction. First example, you write R and P. Okay, R and P 41 and 55 and 41 rupees and 55 paise and 24 and 32. First you write same place, rupee has rupees, and paise has paise. Okay, after that you add first 7, 8, 5, 6. Your answer is 25, 65 rupees and 87 paise. 87 paise. You take decimal in this place. Okay, students. If you carry in paise, you give the carry in rupee. Okay, students. Other example: R P 36, 48, 42, 56. Add 14, carry 1, 4, 7, 8, decimal 8, 90. Okay. And other example: add rupee and paise. First 6, 9, 3, 12, 2, carry, give the rupees 6, 6, 2, 3, 3, 6, 1, 7 and 6. This is the right answer. Okay, students, you can do it careful and solve it question from your exercise. Okay, students. In same process in subtraction. Okay, student, in same process in subtraction, I giving some example. Your first example: 68 and 34 and 85, 30 means 84 rupees 68 paise, 13 rupees 34 paise. You subtract same, you write 4, 3, 1, 7. Your answer is right. Okay, any carry over, you take upper side a small number and lower side big number, you take the carry from before numbers. Okay, students, same method of subtraction, you solve it all question from your exercise. After that, you have any problem, any doubt, please ask me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.